RPI Athawale National Secretary Maheshwar has announced that the party will not field any illegal immigrants as candidates in the upcoming state assembly election. Addressing a press meet held today at its Kaisampat party office, the RPI Athawale National Secretary further demanded that census operation be conducted in the state after identifying illegal immigrants through NRC with 1951 as the base year. He warned of a strong possibility that certain political parties might field illegal immigrants in the upcoming election for political gain once they are wrongfully recorded as bona fide citizens in the census. Maheshwar further cautioned that there would be a perilous effect on the indigenous population if illegal immigrants were elected and gained the opportunity to participate in the state's electoral politics. Citing the 1994 agreement signed between the All Manipur Students' Union and the Manipur government to identify undocumented citizens in the state using 1951 as the base year, the RPI leader urged all political parties and general public to collectively pressure the government to implement the NRC before the census operation.
NRC 1951 sizinaduna illegal immigrants mitopsing khandokba matungda census operation si chathagadabani mitopsing khandokpa hauragani haibagi agreement ama 1994 da state government amasung all Manipur students union ga tawgiba lairabane mitopsing khandokpa hauragani NRC 1951 sizinaduna census report 1951 sizinaduna village directory 1951 sizinaduna amasung Electoral Roll 1948 sizinaduna hauragani haibase 1994 da kuyek pidaduna hauragani haidi state government ki site tagi laikrabaneba hauzipo aikoigi si kuyek pinagriba matungda su hauzipo si implement tawba haudrib se karigino si pending sinani aikoi illegal immigrants ki issue achoba ma laktuna ngasi Manipur da tangdu leita da bagi ngasi ki system sida achoba ma maram oiriba se haitare aduga huzik election da su illegal immigrants me am khadok tribogdi NRC 1951 tong tribogdi election si da su akoina hitang problem leiba sing sidi akoigi party sing sida su ticket piroi da bane sing har illegal immigrants singnaba lady sing sida akoina anyone it may be X or Y akoigi site gi ticket amta pizaroi